Welcome back guys, Captain here. On 27 January I make a video about the upcoming Motorola phone with the Stylus pen, and today we see some leaked image of this upcoming Moto Stylus phone, and we have some specs leaks here. So guys, if you appreciate my work, do subscribe my channel and enable the bell icon for my latest videos. So coming up to our topic, the upcoming Moto phone with the Stylus pen. Motorola big upcoming event is scheduled for February 23 and will bring us at least 4 new smartphones: Moto G8, G8 Power and the flagship Moto H Plus. But one of the big mysteries was the Stylus packing Moto G Stylus mid-ranger. Now we have a first real image of the device. Twitter user Gustavus Gonzalez got a hold of a pre-production unit of the Moto G Stylus, giving us our first real look at the device. As you can see on your screens, this is the live leaked images. As expected, it packed a hole punch display and a stylus pen. The stylus itself looks pretty basic and does not appear to have any button for added functionality like Samsung S Pen. One of the images also show a Notes app that take advantage of the pen, but it's unclear if this is an exclusive Moto app. There is a red flag about this leak, though. In one of the image, we can distinguish a promote that reads finished configuration your Moto G7. Of course, this could just be due to the pre-production software on the device. Now coming up to the upcoming Moto G Stylus full specs. Moto G Stylus, which is variant of the Moto G8 Power and carries model number XT20434, will be powered by the Snapdragon 665 SoC. It will run Android 10 out of the box, have 4 gigs of RAM and come in a 2 storage option, 64 gigs and 128 gigabytes. The stylish wielding phone will support a 6.36 FHD plus display with a punch hole in the top left corner. In terms of imaging, the Moto G Stylus will have a 25 megapixel selfie snapper on the front and a triple camera setup on the back, comprising a 48 megapixel main, 16 megapixel ultra wide and 2 megapixel macro module. The 16 megapixel unit is in action cam that was first introducing on a Motorola One Action. Moving on, the Moto G Stylus will feature a rear mounted fingerprint reader and pack a 4000 mAh battery with 10-volt charging speed. It will also come with a dual SIM card support and NFC depending on the region. Additional, a newly leaked render show us the bottom of the Moto G Stylus, as you can see on your screen, which reveal a USB Type-C port flanked by the 3.5mm headphone jack, the primary mic, speaker and slot for the stylus pen. And speaking of the stylus, the source says the Moto G Stylus will come with a feature that will let you open an app or launch a shortcut when you remove the stylus from the slot. The smartphone will also come with the app called Moto Note that will let you use your finger as an eraser when you're using the stylus to draw something. It will let you add a watermark with the date to the notes too. Apart from that, you will also be able to track the whereabouts of the stylus using the app, which will record the time and location. The last time you remove it from the slot, it will also send a notification if the stylus has not been reinserted into the phone from a while. So guys, let me know your thought in the comment section about the upcoming these 4 phones from the Motorola. Hope you like this video. If you like it, thumbs up and subscribe for more tech videos. Enable the bell icon for latest video notification, and I'll see you in my next video. Peace out.